Alright, here's how to play Carriage Court, the intro. Start on E, so that's 7th fret. You gotta put your pinky on there, and basically what you're doing is playing like it looks like a C chord with the capo right here. You're using your finger as the capo. So it's a C chord, but you let go of this finger, so that really makes it a C 7th, major 7th chord. So you go hit that note, then rake through the rest of it. Trill. Take some finger strength. So that's 6, 4, 4 on this string. So you're sliding up from 4 to what, 8? That's the first phrase. So you gotta, I tend to play it like this because I want to be able to rake through these. That's kind of like a piece of a major chord right there, but I'm playing, really I guess it would be a minor chord, like this chord. Because I guess the true theory of it is that this is a E major, and then the next chord is, so it's, so you notice that we started there, the next one's there, so we're basically raking through the next chord. When you get to here, you're doing the same shape as you did here, just up here. So everything's the same up to that point right there. So and then a diminished run. That's 2 notes on this string, 1 on this string, then kind of the same thing, whoop, there.